What did we just do, guys?
We went over to the shore so we could get beach because we wanted to know what it felt like.
Yep. And we're going to
Jump off the boat and have a little swim.
Clean our hull.
No, have a swim.
Clean our hull. Kids
Okay,
might
no.
swim. Scotty's here too.
I'm gonna swim down.
Hi, Shona.
What about? But I can't go in. Remember?
Why?
It's really cold.
It's not floating actually. It's sitting on the sand. Bowen, when are you going to come and clean the hull?
It's so sticky. But you said I need my wetsuit.
Yep, go.
I want to go under the boat first. Or go over there first. Under the boat. It looks super cool. Okay, let's go. Oh, that's cool. Step on the pudding. Come on. Stop being a scaredy cat. Carter, come on. Look at the key. What? I never knew how proper yellow. See?
Come on guys, walk through. I'll get you coming out the other side.
Where the hole was that I always stepped to. Let's go close to the shore. Look at there's so many holes. And this guy is Scotty.
She's all the way to the lock knot.
She's got no way of controlling it, Bo. Yeah, Harlow! Woohoo!
Still a bit deep. I want to go under the boat.
I need to get a rope to tie you off on, though.
Oh my God, is
Huh?
Scotty giving our child jelly beans?
Gummy bears. He asked for an ice block,
Oh Jesus Christ.
but he didn't have them. He has gummy bears.
What's going on?
Cleaning the hull. The easy way for once. We might even see if we've got paint. Give a touch up in places. But right now I'm just getting the green off of the white.
After a day of playing and cleaning the hull, we left on high tide to anchor in Refuge Bay. However, as we tried to leave the bay the following morning, we accidentally hit a reef and so ended up right back over to the beach for a quick repair the following day.
Where are they? Oh, there's that.
That one doesn't look as bad. Just dig a bit around. Dig around it, but just using less time because the water's coming.
Don't take a picture. Don't has blue.
We need to fix that though. That's pretty.
What's going on?
Oh, you're just taking a little chunk off the back.
The keel and off the rudder.
Oh,
Show me the rudder.
Dad, you have a blue spot
Yeah, I
on
hit
your
my head.
head.
Ready?
He's turning into a Smurf.
Dad's turning into Smurfette.
what have we got here?
Part of our keel.
I told you I could last.
Not ideal
Not ideal.
to see your keel.
Huh?
Peel.
Yesterday I nudged the reef, so we've pulled ourselves in, we've beached ourselves and brought it so the rudder and the back of the keel is out of the water. Low tide is 2:30 and it's probably 1 o'clock right now. I've got everything I need to do the repairs, so I'll mix some epoxies and some stuff to fix the dents, and we should be back. I'll show you what they look like. Nothing too bad, but we'll dry it out. And then this one here is the worst one, right there. But we've got to wait a little while for the water to just fully leave us here. It's pretty good that it pushed down in the nose, because it's been able to pick that keel up and I can get to the back, where I was worried that it might have had to dig it out a little bit. But the nose of the boat sitting down happily on the water now, so on the sand. So everything just happens for a reason. We were lucky enough to have dried out the day before in this spot, knowing that it was safe for us to pull in and do our repairs.
Is it fun down there, guys?
Yeah. You should come.
Yeah? I'm having a bit of issues with figuring out how I'm supposed to get off. How'd you guys get off?
Oh, we made a ladder.
How?
There's a ladder.
Yes, but it's still very far. Oh, Dad helped, okay.
Yeah, he took us and then he put us on the mud. And I almost fell off, but
We're very high off the ground, especially at the back. So I was thinking maybe I would climb off from the front.
Turn down the what? Turn down the what? Greta, this is where the poo and pee comes out of. Yeah.
We understand that these repairs were not our permanent repairs, but they would get us to Cairns, where we planned on hauling out, and we'll fix them properly there.
It's fully dry now. There's just some shit in the back a bit pluggy, but that's fully dry now. Yeah. No, she's fine. Just slap that shit on. Perfect.
Yeah, but make it hard. You reckon make it harder?
Yeah, make it hot next step. Hot.
New repair, ground it out.
While Bowen was organising the repairs, it gave me the opportunity to design and cut our new vinyl decals. After months of trying to get onto the Australian Shipping Register for international travel, we finally managed, which meant we could also select a new home port. It was super handy that I insisted on bringing my cricket machine on board, much to Bowen's distress about the weight of it. After a final provision in Airlie, we're ready to set off on our trip north. Stay tuned for our next adventure, where we celebrate my 40th birthday on Magnetic Island. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Restocked.